bigger. Yeah, it's bigger by that much. Oh, actually, hold on. Bigger by that much.
You guys just let me know when you want me to make that salad. What do you think? When should I plan on making that?
This is how big yours is.
Libby, you have a sock on. How are you going to measure how big your toe is? Libby. How are you supposed to measure how?
Such big toes. Move them down. Oh, yes. Let me measure my foot. Hold on. Sock off. Hold on. Heel to heel. Okay, that's where my heel is. Isn't that funny? Look at my foot. Man. Oh, my heel's not even all the way down.
No, it's too far, Libby.
There, now can you see it? Oh, it's too far down?
Yeah.
There. Now is it good?
Oh, yeah. Wait, no, you have to lift your foot up a little bit.
There. That's how big his foot is. Look. Ow, he's crushing my toe. He crushed my... He's crushing my toe. I can't.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I declare a toe war. Ugh. No other toes. Fine, we can use other toes.
Got it. Oh,
Let's try again. I want a toe.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You have to do it for 10 seconds. Ugh. Don't got all my toes down. You have to get at least 3 toes down. Ow!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10.
You only had 2 down.
Ding, ding, ding.
Ding, ding, ding.